to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra leaked hands-on video suggested a flat display, slim bezels, and other great features. New Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra hands-on video shows a handsome luxury device. Samsung's new flagship model seems gloriously flat and smooth. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The 2024 refresh of Samsung's flagship Android phones is not too far away now, with a full launch of the lineup to take place during the latest Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event this Wednesday 17 January. However, that still leaves us enough time for a juicy leak or two, including a new handsome video of the top-of-the-line Galaxy S24 Ultra model. It appeared on Chinese social network media and was then spotted on the X.com profile page for all of us to enjoy. The video is not long and only shows the phone from a few angles, half of the time in what looks like a protective case, but it confirms one massive rumor about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra immediately. Namely, it demonstrates the phone will have a completely flat display from the first time in years, completely dropping the slight curve at the edges that Samsung has persisted with for quite some time. Either way, after years of rumors, this video suggested that we are finally waving goodbye to the edge curve, as seen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra model. We had already seen the back of the smartphone, though, and from those older leaks, we know that this should be a more familiar area with the same layout of the camera bumps that we have become used to cover the last couple of years. As for the other models, although the standard models are set to get the QHD Plus displays, they will benefit from the adoption of the LTPO technology. In theory, it could have a positive effect on the battery life of the smartphones. Samsung is expected to launch its Galaxy S24 lineup, which will include the base Galaxy S24 and the larger Galaxy S24 Plus. The Galaxy S24 is expected to feature a 6.1 inches display, with the Plus model might carry a 6.6 inches display. Some rumors have mentioned that these two smartphones will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the US, while the other regions it will become the Exynos 2400 chipset. According to the available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 line will be officially announced at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.